Joshua Thibeault the Plotagonist presents Caillou forces me to eat raw opinions/sent to be stuck in a waterfall forever. Requested by my friend Grand Mitch Videos.
This food tastes good.
Oh, Joshua Thibeault, would you like some raw opinions to go with your meal?
No thank you!
Doesn't matter if you don't want it. You're going to eat it still. I'm going to force you to eat raw opinions. Bawadger, 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 bawadger.
No!
Here you go, fat pig. What the? I feel weird. Pepsi is better than Coke. Yes it is. My boy. Post 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 post. Caillou, how dare you force Joshua Thibeault to eat raw opinions? Now he completely changed his opinions on everything. That's it, I'm going to send you to a waterfall and you'll be stuck there forever. Water 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 water. Fell 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 fall. Stuck. The river, 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 the river forever. Caillou drowns and dies. R.I.P. Caillou.